What's up, YouTube? Dylan here with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and we have yet another unboxing. I'm sorry if you're getting tired of them. However, I am just getting a lot of things, a lot of items, and a lot of tools for my espresso bar for you guys, you viewers from home, because I love and appreciate each and every one of you. If you can hit that like and subscribe button down below, I would truly appreciate it. But I am doing all of these unboxing and buying all these different items from Amazon and all over the world. And I'm doing it all for you, and so that we can become a family here on my channel. As always, let's get rolling. Peace. What's up, YouTube? Dylan here with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and today we are doing another unboxing. So without further ado, I will not hold you guys up, and this won't take long. I am just going to do a quick overview of these two products for you at home, and we'll put you on your merry way. You don't need that. All right, so first is from Amazon. I am not sponsored by them. However, it is a 12-ounce, 350 milliliter milk pitcher for latte art. So this one is not like most of the latte art jugs that I currently own. This one has no handle. So what does that mean? So I will show you guys close up. It's a beautiful looking pitcher here. It's got the indentation of their logo here. This is, I might be pronouncing this wrong, Espierza. Yeah, Espierza. And so what this is this is a latte art jug. And because it has no handle, it allows for you to fully grip the jug. So what does that mean? So that means it is easier for some to control and have the utmost consistency when pouring latte art. So normally, in a standard cup, you have a handle. So sometimes, depending on the person, it may be hard to control the wiggle, or it may be hard to control the flow because you're gripping from out here. So the story behind this and the theory behind this is the closer you can get to the actual pitcher itself, the more control you'll have when pouring latte art. Is that true? I don't know, but I will put it to the test, and I will definitely let you guys know at home, and I will do a review on it within the next day or so that you guys can see if it truly works. Now, this package is extremely special to me, and it was sent to me by a person that I am subscribed to. His name is Hoon. Definitely go give his channel a subscribe. Go view it. Great content, great guy. He knows a lot of things about coffee, and he is the #1 reason why I started my channel. So he sent me this from Arizona, and I am extremely thankful, and this is going to be the first time of actually opening this up. So let's see here. So now, further ado, let's get to opening. So this is not safe, so do not try this at home. I do not recommend it. However, I am going to be opening this with these scissors. Alright, so what is it? You guys are probably all asking. Alright, so this is a dosing funnel. Extremely well made. So this is actually out of plastic. It's the white dosing funnel. You can get it on Amazon for $30, I believe. And what this does, so let me show you guys here. Close up, so you got your portafilter. You pretty much lock this sucker in there and you spin it in. So what happens is when you are going to dose your grinds into the portafilter, it controls the amount of grinds that go in there, and you don't have a mess, a disastrous mess just everywhere. Super frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry. This answers all of your questions. It just simply goes straight onto the top, locks in, the beans fall in here. You can give it a couple taps, and then it's all the beans are secured inside of the basket. So this is a great thing to have in your coffee bar, and it fits straight into the Barista Express up top here. and it just pushes the button. I have the machine off right now, but it just flows right in there. It fits in there very nicely, and this is a 3D dosing funnel. So again, Hoon, thank you so much for sending this to me. I truly appreciate it, and I look forward to using it and showing you all out there. Is it good? Is it worth it? And should you have it in your coffee bar? And I will answer that, and I will do a review on it later. So that is all of the products that I have for you today, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys could hit that like and subscribe button, I truly appreciate all of you guys. This channel would not be possible without the help and support from you at home. Genuinely love all of you. Until next time, peace.